Hi everyone, how are you all? Are you a traveler person just like me and facing problems to carry your stuff? So Destinio.in have got a solution for us, that is packing cubes. Being a professional creator means a lot of a travel, and me being a part of it, I have to take a lot of things along with me, which is very difficult to carry them and maintain them in organized manner. You know the best part of this packing cube? The material of this packing cube is water resistant, have enough space between them, and easy to carry. You can shop this along with other useful travel accessories for the domestic and international travel. These packing cubes have made my traveling journey very easier. So I will recommend you guys to go and check out the products right away at Destinio.in. You can use my exclusive coupon code ARCHER5 and get additional 5% of discount at Destinio website.